In today's video, I'll show you how to install the first-person camera mod in Watch Dogs. Check my video description for this mod download link. Once download done, right-click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Right-click on the game and select Open File Location. Go back to Game folder. Open the data underscore Win64 and you need to back up these two files. Right-click on blank area and select New and select Folder. Name this folder Backup and then press Enter. Drag and drop this patch.dat and patch.fat inside this backup folder and drag and drop this mod files inside. Launch the game. And now you can enjoy the game in first person view. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.